Now we start our next concept, equation of line. Already I told that first exercise basic direction cosines and direction ratios, and second exercise total will discuss about the line equations in a space. And third exercise will discuss about the plane equations. In first year we discussed the two-dimensional space line equations, point slope form, different 4-5 types we discussed there. Now in a space you have to imagine now onwards the line in a space. So now you see this four theorems or 4 equations is there, line equations 2 and plane equations 2. That is a compulsory one fixed 5 marks question in PU board. So now you see here, this is an important 5 marks question. Equation of a line through a given point and parallel to given vector. A line equation passing through point and parallel to given vector in 3D space, 3-dimensional space. For that purpose here I will draw the diagram. Diagram is very important. X-axis, Y-axis and Z-axis. In space, one point A. Point A is there. A line passing through that point. This I am taking as a line L. And parallel to the vector B bar. A line passing through a point and parallel to given vector. Given vector I am taking as a B bar. Now this one is O. If you join OA, this is the A bar. Position vector of A with respect to O. OA bar equal to A bar denoting. Next, you have to take another arbitrary point P on a line. Again you join this one. This one take as a R bar. Position vector of P with respect to O. We will discuss in vectors also. OP bar equal to R bar. This direction in same direction of vector B bar. Line L. So this is the diagram. So now this diagram total write in words, represent in words. Let A bar is a position vector of point capital A. Take as a x1, y1, z1. That is OA bar equal to A bar. OA bar equal to A bar. And line L passing through point A and parallel to vector B bar. Parallel to vector B bar. Let R bar be a position vector of any arbitrary point P of x, y, z. R bar is the position vector, that is OP bar equal to R bar. Position vector of OP bar is R bar. Next here OA bar equal to A bar. B bar parallel to B bar. By the diagram, by diagram AP bar vector parallel to B bar vector. Parallel to B bar vector. In vectors, parallel and collinear both are same only. That implies AP bar equal to lambda B bar. AP bar equal to lambda B bar. Sir, how you know, sir, this one? If two vectors A bar and B bar are collinear vectors, then A bar equal to lambda B bar. A bar equal to lambda B bar. Then the two vectors are collinear. Collinear or parallel. Same only that was. In vectors, collinear and parallel, both words is same only. Only for vectors. Now parallel is there. Two vectors parallel means we can write AP bar equal to lambda B bar. We know that AP bar equal to OP bar minus OA bar. OP bar minus OA bar. What is the OP bar? OP bar is R bar. OA bar is A bar. OP bar is R bar. OA bar is A bar. So now this one take as a equation 1. This one take as a equation 1. Therefore 1 implies AP bar value substitute here. R bar minus A bar equal to lambda B bar. Lambda B bar. This implies R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. This is known as a line equation in vector form. This is known as a line equation in vector form. R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar is a line equation passing through given point and parallel to given vector in vector form. This is a vector form. Every equation we have two forms. One is a vector form, another one is Cartesian form. Cartesian form of a equation. Now what is the Cartesian form of a equation here? Cartesian form of equation is nothing but here. The points we know already. Position vector of OA bar. Point, let capital A, x1 comma y1 comma z1. P is x1 x comma y comma z, and direction ratios of B bar vector are A comma B comma C. Direction ratios of B bar is A comma B comma C. So now, therefore, OA bar equal to A bar equal to x1 I cap, x1 I cap, x2 J cap, x3 K cap. OP bar equal to R bar equal to x I cap, y j cap, sorry here x1, y1 and z1. X I cap, y j cap, z k cap. Next B bar, vector B bar equal to direction ratios. You know direction ratios, if you know component form we can write A I cap plus B j cap plus C k cap. This is take as a equation number 2. Substitute in 2 these total values. Substitute in second equation. X R bar is x y z. X I cap, y j cap, z k cap, z k cap. equal to A bar. What is the A bar equation here? X1 I cap, Y1 J cap, Z1 K cap, Z1 K cap plus lambda into A I cap, B J cap, C K cap, C K cap. If you are making simplification here, send right side. This A bar vector total send right side. That time you will get X minus X1 I cap, Y minus Y1 J cap, Z minus Z1 K cap equal to lambda A I cap, B J cap, C K cap, C K cap. If you compare with both sides, you will get the equation X minus X1 by A equal to lambda, Y minus Y1 by B equal to lambda, Z minus Z1 by B equal to C equal to lambda. Lambda value. Here you observe here, lambda A equal to X minus X1. If you send A left side, it will become divided by. So now by this total, X minus X1 by A, Y minus Y1 by B, Z minus Z1 by C. This is called a Cartesian equation. Cartesian line equation in Cartesian form. X minus X1 by A, Y minus Y1 by B, Z minus Z1 by C. So this is the Cartesian equation of line passing through given point and parallel to the vector. So pause the video to note it down. Now you see the example 6. Example 6 based upon that equation. Previous we discussed the 5 marks question. Based upon that one, we have to solve this problem. Here you see, find the vector and Cartesian equations. You have to find the vector equation and Cartesian equation of a line through the point they given and parallel to the vector. One point, one vector they given. Solution. We have to take first of all this one as a, let A bar. A bar is the position vector of OA bar. Point is a A. So 5 I cap, 2 J cap, minus 4 K cap. And B bar parallel to the vector. In diagram, parallel vector we take as a B bar. So this one as a B bar. 3 I cap plus 2 J cap minus 8 cap. 8 A cap. We know that this one is a bar vector and this one is a B bar vector. Therefore, the vector equation of a line passing through point and parallel to vector is R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. So this is the vector. So now you have to simplify this one. R bar equal to, what is the A bar? A bar is 5 I cap plus 2 J cap minus 4 K cap plus lambda into B bar 3 I cap plus 2 J cap minus 8 K cap So this is the vector equation of a line passing through the point 5 comma 2 comma minus 4 and parallel to the vector 3 I cap plus 2 J cap plus minus 8 K cap. This is the vector equation. Now Cartesian form of a equation. Cartesian form. Cartesian form means direct, you have to substitute r bar. R bar is a position vector of OP bar, x I cap, y j cap plus z k cap. R bar plus you have to substitute x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap equal to this one. Simplify and write 5 plus 3 lambda. 5 plus 3 lambda into I cap, 2 plus 2 lambda into j cap plus minus 4 minus 8 lambda j cap, minus 4 minus 8 lambda j cap. So now simplify this equation. What you'll get? Compare these two. X equal to 5 plus 3 lambda. X minus 5 by 3 equal to lambda. Next one. Y equal to 2 plus 2 lambda. Y minus 2 by 2 equal to lambda. Next one. Z equal to minus 4 minus 8 lambda. If you send this side, z plus 4 by minus 8 equal to lambda. Minus 8 equal to lambda. This one also lambda. Therefore, x minus 5 by 3 equal to y minus 2 by 2 equal to z minus of minus 4 I am writing. Plus I am writing as a minus divided by minus 8. This is the Cartesian equation of a line passing through the point and parallel to the vector. Or we can write direct by formula. What is the formula? X minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. This is the equation. So x minus, what is the x1 here? Point is x1, y1, z1. X minus 5 by vector coefficients 3 is there, so by 3. Y minus 2 by vector coefficient is 2. Z minus of minus 4. Z minus of minus 4 by coefficient is minus 8. Anyway, you can write this problem. So direct this substitution and comparison, lambda value finding and equate. Otherwise, by using the formula also you can write. So now this is the way of finding the line equation passing to the point and given parallel to the given vector. Pause the video to note it down. Now, second line equation. Already I told two types of line equations is there. One is previous we discussed a line equation passing through the point and parallel to given vector, and now another line equation of a line passing through two given points. They'll give the two points. That time you have to find the line equation. That is also same Cartesian form and vector form. Vector form and Cartesian form. First of all, I'll draw the diagram here. In a space, if you are drawing this three rectangular system, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is a three-dimensional space. 2 points in a space means, actually previous problem also, point means we have to, in space, this is a one space, you have to draw point here. So we can't draw point here. So that purpose will mark here, just that points should be here actually. You have to imagine this one, the points not on the board, it is in space. So here 1 point, here 1 point. We can't imagine directly. So that purpose we'll draw this point, 2 points. We'll take as a 2 points A and B. A point is x1, y1, z1. B point is x2, y2, z2. This point is O R is in, join OA and join OB. Join OA and join OB. This take as A bar. This one take as a B bar. A line equation passing through given 2 points. A line equation passing through given 2 points that take as a L here. So this only I am writing as a bar, B bar be the position vectors of a point A and B. Next, let R bar be the position vector. So another point, arbitrary point, we'll call this is any arbitrary point x comma y comma z. P I am taking arbitrary point P. Now join OP. Join OP that take as a R bar. And here arrows is important. This one. So R bar be the position vector of arbitrary point P of x comma y comma z. Now you have to find the vector form of a equation by the diagram. By diagram, you can observe AP bar collinear with AB bar. AP bar and AB bar are collinear vectors. Collinear vectors. Why? Because if you draw one line, it is parallel to AP bar is parallel to same line. AB bar also parallel to same line. AP bar collinear with AB bar. Collinear definition is there in vector algebra. So you can see that one. By this one, what we can write? That implies AP bar equal to lambda AB bar. AP bar equal to lambda AB bar. We know that AP bar equal to OP bar minus OA bar. That equal to OP bar. OP bar is what? OP bar R bar minus A bar. And AB bar equal to OB bar minus OA bar. OB bar minus OA bar. OB bar B bar minus A bar. OB bar is B bar. B bar minus A bar. Now these two values substitute there. Therefore, R bar minus A bar equal to lambda into B bar minus A bar. That implies R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar minus A bar, which is known as vector form of line equation passing through 2 points. R bar equal to A bar plus R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar minus A bar. 2 points is there. This is the formula. Previously we discussed R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Line equation passing through single point and parallel to the vector B bar. Here 2 points is there. That time extra should be B bar minus A bar. This is only different here. By this equation, if you are seeing directly, how to say that this is a line equation passing through 2 given points. So now this is a vector form. Now we discussed about the Cartesian form. Cartesian form of line equation passing through given 2 points. Let A bar, OA bar, that is nothing but A bar. Point, you know, if you know the point, you can write the component form of a vector x1 I cap, x1 I cap, y1 j cap, z1 k cap. B bar equal to x2 I cap, y2 j cap, z2 k cap. R bar equal to X I cap, Y j cap, Z k cap. So this is the R bar vector, A bar vector, B bar vector. Substitute here total values X I cap, Y j cap, Z k cap equal to A bar. A bar is nothing but X1 I cap, Y1 j cap, Z1 k cap plus lambda into B bar minus A bar. Direct I am writing X2 minus X1, X2 minus X1 I cap, Y2 minus Y1 j cap plus Z2 minus Z1 k cap. So that is a B bar minus A bar vector. So now you take total this one left side. Now what will get? X minus X1 I cap, Y minus Y1 j cap, Z minus Z1 k cap equal to lambda X2 minus X1 I cap, lambda Y2 minus Y1 j cap plus lambda Z2 minus Z1 k cap. Just multiply and this one send this total vector send to left side. It will become negative and I take common. So now comparison on both sides. X minus X1 equal to lambda into X2 minus X1, comparing on both sides. Similarly, Y minus Y1 equal to lambda into Y2 minus Y1. Next one, Z minus Z1 equal to lambda into Z2 minus Z1. So lambda value we need X minus X1 by, if you send left side, denominator X2 minus X1 equal to lambda, Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y1 equal to lambda, Z minus Z1 by Z2 minus Z1 equal to lambda. This one lambda, this one lambda and this one lambda. Total lambda only. Therefore, X minus X1 by X2 minus X1 equal to Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y1 equal to Z minus Z1 by Z2 minus Z1. Z2 minus Z1. So this is the Cartesian equation of a line. Cartesian equation, Cartesian form of a line equation passing through the 2 points. If you know the 2 points, direct you can substitute. This is a vector form, this is a Cartesian form. This is also important for 5 marks question. Pause the video to note it down. Based upon previous theorem, we discussed one example problem here. Find the vector equation for the line passing through 2 points. Line passing through 2 points, vector equation is asking. First of all, given points take as a position vectors. Vector form means compulsory you have to write the points in position vectors. Let A bar and B bar are position vectors of points A of. First point taking as a and second point taking as a B. Therefore, A bar equal to, what is the A bar? Minus I cap plus 0 j cap plus 2 k cap. B bar equal to 3 I cap, 4 j cap, 6 k cap. 6 k cap. The vector equation, therefore, the vector form of line equation passing through 2 points, passing through 2 points is R bar equal to, we know the formula, R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar minus A bar, lambda B bar minus A bar. This is the vector equation of a line passing through 2 points. So now we know the R bar, we don't want the R bar, A bar we know, B bar minus A bar, that implies B bar minus A bar equal to B bar minus A bar, 3 minus of minus 1, 4 I cap plus 4 minus 0 is 4 J cap plus 6 minus 2 is 4 K cap. So now substitute here the total values. R bar equal to A bar. A bar is minus I cap plus 0 J cap plus 2 K cap. Lambda into B bar minus A bar. B bar minus A bar is 4 I cap plus 4 J cap plus 4 K cap. So this is the required line equation in vector form, passing through given 2 points. This is the vector form. Similarly, here they didn't ask the Cartesian form, but I'll write down the Cartesian form of line equation also. Cartesian form. Cartesian form. Cartesian form of a line equation passing through 2 points. The Cartesian form of line passing through 2 points is formula. Just we discussed that one. X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1, z2 minus z1. So now substitute this one take as a x1 y1 z1, this one take as a x2 y2 z2. X minus this one I am taking x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2. So now substitute here x minus of minus 1 by x2 minus x1, 3 minus of minus 1 equal to y minus y1, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, 4 minus 0 equal to z2 minus z minus z1, z minus 2 by z minus 2 by z2 minus z1, 6 minus 2. X minus of minus 1 by 4 equal to y minus 0 by 4 equal to z minus 2 by 4. Z minus 2 by 4. By this one also you can write x minus x1, y minus 0 and z minus 2 by this one. By 4, by 4, by 4. Direct also you can write, otherwise by using the formula. This is the Cartesian form of a line equation passing through given 2 points. So this is the way of finding the line equations passing through given 2 points. Otherwise passing through one single point parallel to the vector. So pause the video to note it down.